KDE, disable super_L, Windows key shortcut as menu launcher. Where can I disable super_L key, Windows key, opening KDE menu? Or where can I change this shortcut?
In KDE Plasma 5.8, the super/win key is also used to trigger the launcher, when pressed and released without combining it with another key. To disable the feature, put this into ~.config/kwin. Then reload the window manager, kwin, either by logging out and logging back in, or with this command. Equivalently run this. Sources: initial announcement of the feature this URL. An answer from Reddit this URL. Plasma tips on KDE's own wiki, with further tips for Latte dock users this URL.
Everyone, a super dictionary. Приятно, что он себя